Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Jason. Today I'm gonna tint my car's window. Actually I got no tint here. So what happens is like when it's sunny, the sun comes in, and the temperature inside becomes quite hot. That's why I'm planning to get it tint today. So yeah, let's go. Let's see if we get a good. So this is the tint which I've selected. It's like 50% though, so it won't be like that dark. So yeah, and that's the difference, no? That's the 50% and yeah. I think this should be okay.
Loaded my gun, so don't play me like a fool. They ruin my fun, yeah, the world's so cruel. The world's so cruel. Yeah, cause even when I'm up, I feel so down. It's too late to turn back now. So I'm going out fighting. I came to start a riot, and I don't really care who don't like it. I said I don't really care who don't like it. Whoa, they asked me, I was like, that boy, I can't describe it. I heard about this shit called love, I should try it. They say they try to throw shade, but I'm still shining. I'm treating life like it's a game, so I keep trying. They selling lies about the pain, and I don't buy it. Treating love like it's a race, perfect timing. And I will never change my ways, I can't deny it. Shit just gets too hard, yeah. Then you gon' try to say you need me, and then you leave me. These people trying to deceive me, best believe me, that shit ain't gon' happen easy. You can try it. The thing about my coffin is you'll never find it. Cause the only thing I'm really scared of is hearing silence. Oh, I can hear the sirens. I said, oh, I know I'll die young, so I came to break the rules. Loaded my gun, so don't play me like a fool. They ruin my